Right guys, we have a release update regarding the iPhone Folds, and so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so the source of the report is the super credible Ross Young. Now this man is the expert when it comes to display supply chains, and so yeah, this information is pretty legit. So what does he tell us regarding the iPhone Fold? Well, it's kind of bad news because he says the release is not going to be happening till 2023 at the earliest, and 2024 is the more likely target date. So yes, unfortunately the iPhone Fold is not releasing anytime soon, and to be honest, I'm not surprised with this information. For one, there's been a plethora of reports regarding a 2023 release for the iPhone Fold, but more importantly, I do think Apple's going to take their sweet time with the iPhone Fold, since of course they want everyone else to work out the durability concerns we have right now with the form factor. Since of course, do remember that much like Minchiko said, Apple's going to sell a ton more foldables than any other company right now, so of course, if these displays have issues like the Galaxy Fold has had in the past, this will be affecting a wider range of consumers, and that could be a PR nightmare. And so it's in Apple's best interest to wait and let the tech mature before they release their own version. And there is some good news regarding that because Apple is working with LG Display on this foldable, and they recently found out a new plastic material that's as hard as glass and has no crease. And so this could be the ideal display for future foldables. And in that report, I believe mass production for those displays are beginning in 2023, which of course aligns perfectly with this new tidbit from Ross Young. And so yes guys, when Apple does release their foldable, do expect durability concerns to no longer be an issue. And to be fair, even the Galaxy Folds, which had a pretty rough start, has now matured into a pretty solid product. And so I do think the foldable category in a few years should be good enough and cheap enough for average consumers to get. Now of course, in previous videos I have stated my interest in an iPhone Fold. I am super excited for this product because I do feel the standard iPhone has kind of peaked, and so I would very much be interested in this iPhone iPad hybrid that could be the iPhone Fold. And in my opinion, I can see Apple giving us the best foldable on the market, since of course right now software is the biggest issue with the Folds. Android on a tablet screen is not that great, but of course with the iPhone Folds, Apple can just throw iPadOS on the inner screen, and the experience should be a lot better. And yes, I know some of you guys might see these foldables as a gimmick, but do remember that at one point, phablets were seen as a gimmick too, but of course, the market clearly wanted it, and now pretty much every phone is super massive. And so I do think foldables are following in the same direction, where I do think the market does want a foldable device, but the only issues are of course the price and the durability concerns, which should be fixed very soon. So yeah, that's all the details on the iPhone Folds, but tell me in the comments below guys, are you interested in buying this Apple foldable? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the code above on details regarding the iPad 10, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps!